Euro set for high-quality week because May after ECB opts for huge hike. Tokyo. The euro headed for its first-class week on account that May on Friday after the European Central Bank (ECB) raised borrowing expenses greater than anticipated in a single day in its incredible hike due to the FAC 2011. However, the unmarried Forex turned into well-off Thursday's knee-jerk top after ECB President Christine Lagarde stated that at the same time as the economic authority become moving quicker than previously signaled, the terminal fee had no longer modified. The significant financial institution turned into additionally short on specifics of a new device aimed toward taming peripheral state bond yields, just as Italian bonds go through the effects of a collapsed authorities. The info, conditionality and what would justify activation was vague and did little to encourage confidence in light of the Italian political situation, Topas Strickland, a markets economist at National Australia Bank (OTC), NABZY, wrote in a notice. He introduced that the widening unfold between Italian and German authorities' bond yields contemplated more political risk, and the euro had similarly retreated from its post-ECB assembly height at $1.0279. The single foreign money eased 0.2% on Friday to $1.0205, giving again a bit of the preceding consultation's 0.5% enhance, but remained on direction for a 1.21% weekly rally. The dollar index, which measures the dollar in opposition to 6 fundamental friends, with the euro the maximum closely weighted, edged 0.08% better to 106.70, following a 0.36% slide on Thursday. It's on direction for a 1.27% drop, seeing that closing Friday, its first losing week in 4. The buck changed into additionally weighed down overnight via a decline in Treasury yields after records confirmed a stoop in factory activity and an upward push in applications for unemployment advantages, symptoms that the economy is already feeling the outcomes of competitive Federal Reserve coverage tightening, doubtlessly giving the crucial financial institution much less to do in future. Japan's Forex, that is in particular touchy to adjustments in U.S. yields, headed for its first triumphing week since overdue May. The greenback become little changed at 137.285 yen, after sliding 0.67% overnight and pulling further away from the 24-year high at 139.38 reached closing week. That changed into despite the Bank of Japan sticking with extremely easy policy settings on Thursday. Currencies visible as extra touchy to threat declined on Friday, with U.S. inventory futures pointing lower, led with the aid of a 0.7% drop for Nasdaq eminence as Snapchat proprietor Snap Inc. NYSE, Snap, plunged 25% in prolonged trading after declining to offer a earnings forecast amid notably difficult conditions. The Aussie dropped 0.25% to $0.6919, pairing a weekly develop to at least 1.84%, although that could nonetheless be its exceptional displaying for the reason that early March. Sterling eased 0.14% to $1.19875 on Friday, trimming its benefit for the week to 0.98%, the most for the reason that late May